What's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet again another video, and welcome back to JECS. Today we have an unboxing of the A Ma Maniére Dark Mocha Jordan 4s here. So this is looking like it's going to be my last shoe of the year, and hey, I'm actually pleased with this shoe. I actually do like this shoe a lot. So from the pictures that we've seen, but I haven't seen them in hand yet, so let's get into that. So here's the box. No sleeve this time, has a nice texture feel to it as well. Looks very nice. Honestly, the A Ma Maniére boxes are always fire, and this one is really cool, and I'm glad it doesn't actually have a sleeve, because I actually kind of got tired with the sleeves, having to put the sleeve on and everything else. So I like this a lot. I like the back to the classic, just normal box. That looks really good. Just open it up here. Boom, here's what it looks like on the inside. Here's the artwork on the inside of the box. And then here is our A Ma Maniére paper here. Kind of hard to see, but it's there. You can see the logo. And oh, the shoes are individually wrapped here as well. Okay. All right, so here's a look at the left shoe off rip. Let's check it out. Nice. So here is the left shoe, guys. And oh, okay, off rip. This is a size 14, my true to size as always. Off rip, yeah, these are nice. These are nice. Yep. Oh, I love the like almost olive color on here on this midsole here. Look at that. Very nice quality as well. Obviously get our hang tags as always. Nike Air hang tags. Nike Air on the back. And yeah, that's like a light brown Nike Air. That's cool. So yeah, we get like can't think of the color right now, but you know, that purple, that wine color pretty much on the strap here. The netting looks good in black with the same purple underneath. Wow, very nice colorway. You know, this is a very unique colorway. Obviously with the A Ma Maniéres, we always get like, you know, the brown colorways, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes we'll get a sail or a white. And this one, they did their thing. Oh, the inside of the shoebox is like the exact same color and look to the box. So the way the box looks is exactly how the insoles look. Got Air Jordan on the tongue. Obviously got the quilted inside, which I love. My favorite feature on each A Ma Maniére shoe is always the quilted inside. That's what I love the most about the shoes. They just feel so comfortable. Obviously they're gonna feel premium as well, so having the quilted inside is definitely a plus. Here's a look at the tongue right here as well. Got the A Ma Maniére logo with flights. Get some black laces off rip. I'm happy about these, and I did get them off the A Ma Maniére website, and you know, I'm happy I got them. Obviously they tax on the website, but you know, it's cool. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? The resale price for these are around 300 in my size. So if it ends up dropping below retail, like how other A Ma Maniéres have done in the past, then I'll probably just not pick up any more shoes from their website and just wait for the sneakers drop. You know, this so you can save any money, you know what I'm saying? Just whatever money you can save is always the best. But I'm a huge fan of these, and here is the bottom as well. The bottom looks absolutely phenomenal. Wow, I love it. All right, guys, and here's the look at the right shoe, and here it is, the right shoe as well. Same details. Very nice colorway, man. This is honestly one of the best colorways out of their whole collection. Wow, I'm amazed at how good it looks. But this shoe has the Jordan logo on it. Same Nike Air. And we get some laces, obviously, which is nice. We only get one pair of laces. Okay. And it's, here's a look at the laces. It's like a tannish pink colorway. Okay. So it's kind of like the same color as here, pretty much. Yeah, pretty much a more lighter color than this. That's okay. I don't think I would swap them out. I don't think I would. I think I would just stick with the black Honestly, they should have had olive laces. Yeah, they definitely needed olive laces for this shoe. If they had olive laces, woof, that would have been, yeah, that would have been tough. That would have been really tough. But hey, looks really nice. Olive laces and this like purple type of color right here too. That would have been really nice. But other than that, looks really good. Great quality as well. Nothing here. A really nice shoe overall though. I'm very pleased with it. Short unboxing. Just wanted to showcase all the details. Really great quality. Premium colorway, premium smell, premium everything. Everything feels very premium on this shoe. And this is definitely going to be a shoe that I rock very soon, because I rocked pretty much all my A Ma Maniére except for the black or Jordan 5s. Those are going crazy on the market too. So I'm so glad I got those, because I could not even imagine having to buy resale for those. But that is the shoe here. Let me know what you guys think about the Dark Mocha A Ma Maniére Jordan 4s. Do you guys think that these are a cop? Let me know in the comments. These are really cool, but as you guys can see here, left shoe has the A Ma Maniére logo. Right shoe has the Jordan logo here. Pretty much the same all throughout the shoe though. Everything looks the exact same and has great quality overall. So yeah, I really like the shoe a lot. Hey, I think this is gonna be my last shoe of 2025, and a lot of shoes are coming out next year. So obviously JECS Kicks is gonna be going crazy next year with the amount of shoes that's gonna be dropping. I really want to say thank you guys. I really appreciate the support you guys been showing on the channel, and make sure you guys subscribe to my main channel, JECS Gaming. Link for all that stuff is in the description down below. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the shoes. I love them. Hey, to end off the year with these, I can't complain at all. Honestly, these are a double up. I'm not gonna lie, these low-key are a double up. These are like that good. Will I get two of them? I don't know. I still got to get the other shoes, so maybe down the line I'll get another pair of these, but I can see these kind of going crazy on the market down the road. The only thing I can see people not liking is the fact that it's not like an all mocha color like how they showed it on like the resale apps, because the resale apps showed this color right on the whole entire shoe, which, yeah, that would have looked crazy, but it's kind of like the other 4s, the original 4s that we got, kind of. I think the original 4s, they did have like this sail here all throughout the midsole, but I mean, it's still a good colorway. And honestly, the olive hits kind of really, you know, blend in with the shoe perfectly. So I'm actually not mad at the shoe at all, but definitely let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys on the next one. Sign out. Peace.